Nase esukuru y'oburoso ya Kisii Primary bakubwatirana amo n'ebengi ya Kingdom Bank omugaso bw'etuko lya lero banyarako bagusimika emete gwetania erubu eyamo buna enjira eyamo y'okurenda amazingira.
Steve Maraga ni Deputy Kisii Comprehensive School, and today we've been doing the tree planting and we are proud that this exercise was sponsored by Kingdom Bank.
We are a team from Kingdom Bank, Kisii branch, and the reason why we are here today is because every year we normally undertake CSR activities, and one of the CSR activities we engage in is tree planting. So this year we felt it good to partner with Kisii Primary so that we can be able to plant trees. So today we were just planting 1,000 trees. I'm happy that we have planted them, and what has challenged me most is actually about this unit. You know, I know not most schools will find an autism unit.
Kwana ekyo chinga kibanya ko bakurawa amono mwarimu omone Franklin Mitunda naboigo Steve Moka uyore mo deputy ohe naboigo umuteneneri Oscout Sasorgo ngoroya ngo banyariko bakwenekia nga ekini gitambukero ekia kyo kwenekia buna ngolinda bale amazingira kubwatikana buna umuraibwense anyarete ko bagakurwa ogochika ogosimeka emete buna enjira eyamo yokulinda ibintu byetanaine mwanya bantu.
Tree planting to mitigate the effects of climate change. Pia kulinda miti ambayo tumepatiwa tupande, kwa sababu baada ya kupanda miaka miwili mitatu hivi, hiyo miti ambayo tumepanda siku ya leo ndio itatusaidia kwa siku zijazo. Kwa kizazi ambacho kinaendelea kupanda miti kwa jina la wanafunzi, miti inawapatia changamoto sana katika maisha yao, kwa maana ina faida nyingi sana.
Trania abana balia babwate omochando autism buna enchira emo na yokubabeka na barabo kurenda amazingira.
I'm a teacher in Kisii Primary, but in charge of autism unit. Autism unit, it's a unit that admits learners with disabilities. Yes, we have co-curricular activities and so many clubs. One of the very active clubs that we have that the autism unit participates actively is the Scouts.
Ya abaibori banyako bakwenekia chinga kibako nyako bagutuma abana babo chikuru banyako bako basemia banyako bago soa ase ebyombe ao anemono buna kiriya Scouts buna enchira eyemo yogo soma nabo yokomanya ibintu ebinge nabo igo ase ensemwende ngonyako bakuboria abasamaria abaya banyarako bagwesoke nabo igo bari babwate omoyo bwo konya banyako bakonya aborokiwa anemono kubagurira ibintu biri bakonyako bagutumeka ase ensemo ya Scouts.
Nyumbani labda hawajui kwamba Scouts ni nini, Scouts na Girl Guides ni nini. Tunawahimiza wanafunzi wanapokuja kwa shule kwa waruhusu wajiunge na Scouting and Girl Guiding, kwa sababu watajifunza mambo ambayo yatawasaidia katika maisha ya sasa na maisha ya siku zijazo. Inclusive, so waruhusu wanafunzi ama watoto wao wajiunge na Scouts. Kitu ambacho tunaomba washikadau wanapopata fursa wawanunulie wana Scout na Girl Guides uniform ili washiriki katika mashindano katika viwango vyote.
The county government of Kisii that agreed to put up one structure here for the ECD learners. So after it has been officially opened, they'll be given a class up there in the regular program, and they leave this for the autism unit.
Emesa ya mwana magia kuru ase skuru y'oburoso ya Kisii Primary iriane ni gongoro kwa Hesbon Bosire.